to remove pages from documents or PDF files that you own. So here is the for the file that you want to remove pages from. So what you're going to do here is you're going to come to a website called ilovepdf.com. So just type www.ilovepdf.com in your URL bar or the address bar. Then you press enter, you'll be taken to this homepage. And this is a tool or a website where you can do a number of things. And on top here, you have different menus. I want you to come here on all PDF tools. When you bring your mouse on top of it, you're going to see a number of things that you can do. And here you're going to see remove pages. When you click on that, you're going to be taken to a page that looks like this. And here you have to select the file that you want to remove pages from, which means you have to upload it to this software. Click on select PDF file. And here just find the location of the file that you want to remove pages from. We know it's in the file, and here it is. So just click on it like that and upload, and just click on open. It's going to open like that, and all the pages that are there, they are going to show like this. And from here, I'll be able to select the pages that I want to get rid of. So what I can do is just click on the page that I want to get rid of, and you're going to see it's going to have the X mark, which means I can get rid of these here. So I can just delete these, for instance, like that. What you should know is that this is a 13-paged ebook. So when you get rid of 6, we'll remain with 7 pages in this ebook. So what you do here is it's going to show you here the pages that it's removing from your ebook. Then when you are done selecting the pages that you want to remove, you can just click on remove pages. Like that, you give it time to do its thing, then it's going to finish doing that, and it's going to give you the ability to download the edited PDF. So what you can do is you can just click on it to open and see how many pages you remained with. Here it's showing us it's a 1 of 7. So we have 7 pages remaining in this. Everything is still the same. And that's how you can remove pages from a PDF file. You can do this on your PC or on your mobile device. If this video was helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.